Hey everyone, if AnyDesk shows a connection failed error, won't connect to a remote device, or keeps dropping the session, don't worry. In this guide, I'll show you several simple fixes to help restore the connection. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. AnyDesk needs a strong and consistent connection to work properly. Next, restart AnyDesk and also restart your computer. Yeah, temporary network or app glitches can cause connection failures. Make sure you entered the correct AnyDesk ID or address. A small typo can cause a failed connection instantly. Verify that the remote computer is turned on and AnyDesk is running. So if the other device is offline, the connection will fail. Sometimes firewall or antivirus software can block AnyDesk connections. Temporarily disabling them can help confirm the issue. Make sure AnyDesk is allowed through your firewall. Yeah, blocked network access is a common reason for connection failures. Make sure both devices are running the latest version of AnyDesk. Outdated versions can cause compatibility issues. If you're using a VPN or proxy, turn it off temporarily. So, routing changes can sometimes block remote connections. If the problem continues, try switching to another network like mobile hotspot. Yeah, this helps identify if your network is blocking the connection. If nothing works, uninstall and reinstall AnyDesk completely. A fresh installation can fix corrupted network components. If you're still facing issues, contact AnyDesk support. They may be able to identify server-side or account-related problems. And that's it. Hopefully, one of these methods helped fix the AnyDesk connection failed problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.